Hello kids, I'm Zanan Salman, your Urdu teacher. Welcome to the fourth video of our Urdu alphabet series. Today we are going to learn some new letters, their correct sounds, and how to recognize and write them properly. Let's begin this exciting journey of learning Urdu together. So, first of all, I will repeat previous five letters which we have done last time. I'm starting from dal, dal, zal, re, ade, ze, ze. Okay. After that, look at it. What is this? Scene. Scene. Look at the shape. We call it one shosha. One shosha, second shosha, then half circle. One shosha, second shosha, and big half circle. It is called scene. So let's check what are the letters beginning with scene. Look at the picture. First picture, seb. Scene, seb means apple. Apple, it's a fruit. Seen seb. Seen seb. You also repeat seen seb. Alright, look at the second picture. It is Suraj. Seen Suraj. Seen Suraj means sun. Sun is shining very brightly. Alright, sun. Seen Suraj. Alright, look at the third picture. What is this? You usually ride on it. Yes, it is for riding. Cycle. Seen cycle. Seen cycle. Okay, students. Earlier I have told you there are many words which are from English in Urdu. So cycle is one of them. Check. We call cycle in Urdu also. Seen cycle. Cycle. Seen cycle. All right. Again, now repeat these three pictures with me. Seen shape. Seen Suraj. Seen cycle. Okay. Moving on to the next letter. This is sheen. Look at carefully the same shape of scene. This is one shosha, this is second shosha, and with this is half circle, big one. All right, but difference is there are three dots on it. 1, 2, 3. With three dots, scene has become sheen. Scene is become sheen. Yes, SSH. SH, sheen. Look at the sound. Sheen, SH. So let's see what is with sheen. Sheen Shutarmurg. Sheen Shutarmurg. Sheen Shutarmurg. In English, ostrich. Ostrich. You must have seen it in zoo or in National Geographic channel. Sheen Shutarmurg. Alright. What else? What is this? Sher. Yes. Sher. Of course. This is also found in jungle and as well as in zoo. Loin. What is sher? Loin. Sheen sher. Sheen sher. It roars, you know. Do you know its voice? How it is? It roars. Sheen sher. And look at the third picture. This is honeybee. This is honeybee. Alright. But what comes out from honey? Honeybee. Honey, yes. So, sheen shahad. Sheen shahad. Sheen shahad means honey. Sheen shahad. Okay. Let's repeat these three words. Sheen Shutarmurg. Sheen sher. Sheen shahad. Okay. Let's see what is the next letter. All right. Look at this. Little bit make round, but oval shape. Not fully circle. This is oval shape. All right. And half circle this. This is swad. 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 Repeat. Swad. Swad Surahi. Swad Surahi. Swad Surahi means pitcher. We can call it also, we usually also, it is also flask. A type of flask, but it is pitcher. Swad Surahi. Swad Surahi. Look at the second picture, guys, kids. Swad Sanduk. Swad Sanduk means box. 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 There are many boxes in our house. We can put clothes, coins, toys. many other things. In so swad sandook. Look at the third picture. What is this? Sofa. Yes, sofa. Sofa is a English word which is used in Urdu as it is. As I have told you earlier, many words are from English in Urdu. Many words are from English which are used as it is in Urdu. Swat sofa, swat sofa. So let's repeat these three pictures. Swat surahi, swat sandook, swat sofa. Look at the next letter. All right, this is same like swad. This is oval shaped circle, then half circle, big one, and but the difference is one dot up. Guys, listen carefully. In Urdu, dots make the words different. So look at swad. It has no dot, but zwad, it has dot. This is zwad. One dot. This is zwad. Okay. What is with zwad? Zwad zaif. Zwad zaif means old. 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 Zwad zaif. Boodha. Old. Zwad zaif. Look at the next picture. This is cross. It is zarab. Zwad zarab means multiplication. Zwad zarab, the sign of multiplication. Zwad zarab. All right. Look at the third picture. This is ziyafat. Zwad ziyafat means feast. They are having great feast. This family, all of them are sitting around table and they are having grand feast. Zwad ziyafat. In Urdu it is ziyafat. Zwad ziyafat. All right, repeat these three words with me. Zwad zaif, zwad zarab, zwad ziyafat. So moving on to the next letter. Let's see what is that. This is toe. What is that? Toe. This is like alif and oval shape like this here with it. Toe. Toe. What is with toe? Toe. Can you recognize what is this? Yeah, this is parrot. A colorful parrot. All right. But parrot is in English, but in Urdu it is tota. What is that? Tota. Yes. Toe tota. Toe tota. Toe tota. Toe tota. In English it is parrot. In Urdu it is tota. Toe tota. All right. Look at that. What is he? It's a kid. Crawling. Kid is crawling. But in Urdu it is tifl. Tifl. Toe tifl. Toe tifl. Toe tifl. Toe tota. Toe tifl. All right. Look at this. What are these? Drums. This is the instrument of music. It is drum. I think you guys have seen it many times, but it in Urdu it is tabla. Toe tabla. Toe tabla. Toe tabla. All right, repeat with me these three words. Toe tota, toe tifl, toe tabla. All right, kids, look at this letter carefully. This is next letter. Same like toe. What is the difference? The difference is dot, which makes it different. It is become zoe. It is become zoe. All right. Let's see what is with zoe. Zoe zaroof. Zoe zaroof. Zoe zaroof. Zoe zaroof. These are zaroof means utensils. One more word. It is used in Urdu. Bartan. Yes. Zoe zaroof. Utensils these are. Look at the second picture. Zoe zarif. Zoe zarif. This is clown. Yes, you have seen. This is clown. Yes, with smiley face. Zoe zarif. Zoe zarif. Look at the third picture. Zoe zil. Zoe zil means shadow. You are looking in this picture the shadow of this boy. This is shadow. Shadow. To shadow in Urdu we say zil. Zoe zil. In English it is shadow. In Urdu it is zil. Zoe zil. All right, repeat with me. Zoe Zaroof, Zoe Zarif, Zoe Zil. Coming to the next letter, look at this. What is this? Ein. Ein. Little bit round like this and then big, half round. Ein. Ein. Let's see what is with ein. Ein, einak. Ein, einak. Ein, einak. We can call it sunglasses, shades, goggles. Ein, einak. Alright. What is the second picture? Aurat. Ein Aurat. Ein Aurat means woman. Ein Aurat, woman. Yes. There are women. Alright. Ein Aurat. Look at the third picture. Ukab. Ein Ukab. Ein Ukab. To Ukab we call falcon. Ein Ukab. Okay, repeat with me. These three words. Ein Einak, Ein Aurat, Ein Ukab. Look at the other letter. Same like Ein, but difference is of dot on it. Then it is becoming Gain. If it is there is no dot, it is Ein, but with dot it is Gain. What is with Gain? Gain Gubara. Gain Gubara. This is balloon. With balloon we decorate our houses. We also use balloons in our birthdays. Gain Gubara. Gain Gubara. This is the sign of happiness, this Gubara. Gubara is the sign of happiness. Alright, what is this? Gulel. Gain Gulel. Gain Gulel. In English it is slingshot. Slingshot. Gain Gulel. Look at this. We put stone here and then we pull this rope. We aimed and shoot with this slingshot. Gain Gulel. So look at this flower. Flower. In Urdu it is guncha. Gain guncha. Gain guncha. In English it is flower. In Urdu it is guncha. Alright, repeat these three words with me. Gain Gubara, Gain Gulel, Gain guncha. Alright, look at the next letter. This is again circle and this is long like this. This is and one dot. Fe. Fe. F. Fe. 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 So what is starting with fe? Fe fakhta. Fe fakhta. Fe fakhta means dove. In English it is dove. In Urdu it is fakhta. Fe fakhta. Look at the second picture. Fawara. Fe fawara. Fe fawara. This is fountain. Yes. Which are in gardens. Which are found in gardens. Fe fawara. And look at the third picture. Fauji. Fe Fauji. Fe Fauji means soldier. This is soldier. Soldier. Fe Fauji. Fe Fauji. Repeat these pictures with me starting with Fe. Fe Fakhta. Fe Fawara. Fe Fauji. Alright. Next letter. What is this? Circle and half. This one big circle and there are two dots up. It is calf. 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 Repeat. Calf. 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 And what is this? Yeah, pair of scissors. You are right. But in Urdu, it is kanchi. In Urdu, kanchi. Calf, kanchi. Starting with calf. Kanchi. Calf, kanchi. Calf, kanchi. Calf, kanchi. And look at the other picture. Kalam. In English, it is pen. But in Urdu, it is kalam. Calf, kalam. Calf, kalam. Calf, kalam. And what is the third picture? Kameez. Yes. Calf kameez. Calf kameez. It is English, it is shirt. It is shirt. It is shirt. But in Urdu, kameez. Calf kameez. Alright, repeat with me these three words. Calf kanchi, calf kalam, calf kameez. Alright students, now we are going to write these letters. Alright students. I'm revising previous letters which we have done. Dal, dal, zal, re, are, ze, ze. Now today's letter, first letter, seen. I have already told you this is one shosha, small. This is called shosha. One shosha, second shosha, and then big half circle. It has become seen. What is become? Seen. All right. Same like this, make scene. One shosha, second shosha, and half circle. All right. But difference is of dots. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots up. Seen, sheen. What is this? Sheen. S-H. Sheen. Sheen. Seen, sheen. After that, swath. Oval shaped circle like this. And then this half. Swath. What? Swath. Swath. All right. After swath, again make like swath, but difference is of one dot. Then sound will become different. One dot up. Zwad. Zwad. Swad. Zwad. Seen, sheen, swad, zwad. After that, toy. Draw like a leaf and make like this circle, oval shape. This is toy. Toy. Again make toy, but difference will be appear while placing one dot here. This is one dot. Toy, zoe. With dot it becomes zoe. This is toy, and if I will not place dot here, it is also toy, but when I will place one dot, it is become zoe. Seen, sheen, swad, zwat, toy, zoe. All right. Then ein. Make little bit like this circle, then big. This is ein. Ein. All right. So what will be the other letter? Again same like an. All right. It is very easy. Only differences are of dots. All right. Ein. This is also ein. But when we are going to place one dot up, what it becomes? Rein. Rein. This is ein. This is rein. If I remove this dot, what is this? Ein. But with dot, it is rein. All right. Repeat with me. Seen, sheen, swad, zwat, toy, zoe, ein, rein. Great job, kids. Today you learned new Urdu letters and their sounds. Keep practicing these letters daily so that your Urdu becomes strong and easy for you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss the next video. See you soon in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.